I want you to know just how easy it is to use an AI on your computer or on a web browser anyway. I'm going to show you 3: ChatGPT, Copilot, and Gemini. There are lots more, but these are the top 3 general use AI chatbots. You will have to have an account with those 3 companies if you want to keep a history of your chats, but you can use it even without an account. I'm going to use the sample prompt. That's what they call it when you ask a question. What cities can I use for my iPhone's time zone settings for GMT +14, +13, and +12? I'm starting with ChatGPT. I'm using a web browser not logged into any account, and I'm going to go just to chatgpt.com. Now, if you do have an account, there's lots more that you can do, but I want you to see that you can ask a question even without an account. So let's ask that question about the iPhone's time zone settings. And you click on the little up arrow. You just type in the box and click on the up arrow. That's all there is to it. And here is your answer. And since we have just gone through this, I do know that it's correct. Kiritimati, Apia, and Auckland, New Zealand are correct. Let's try another AI. I will go to Gemini. This is the one by Google. Once again, I am not signed in. You get this box that says Ask Gemini, and I'm going to enter the same question. And here's your answer. Kiritimati, Apia, and Auckland or Wellington, New Zealand. There are choices, but having just been in these time zones, I know that those work. And the last one is the one by Microsoft called Copilot. And you just type in copilot.microsoft.com. I am not signed in. I can still ask a question. I'm going to ask the same question. And you click on this up arrow. That means go or submit your prompt. The question is called a prompt. And then you get the response. Copilot gave us the right answers as well. It gave us a few more choices, which is interesting. That is how you use the top 3 general AIs with a computer web browser. I'm Chris Guld with Geeks On Tour, teaching travelers how to better use their technology since 2006.